Hi, I'm Kripa, Senior Dietitian at Simplyweight, the London Obesity Endocrine Clinic located in Chennai, T-Nagar. So we specialize in weight management and endocrine related issues.
Can you give some advice for our graduates when they start their own consulting?
My piece of advice for you all is to, plan what you are going to start on. It can be an online consultation, but get ready with your notes. Get ready with your, research articles. Be thorough in what conditions you're going to give your diet plan for. And always be confident in starting a online consultation. You have to prepare all your notes before you start a consultation so that you don't feel underconfident when a patient comes to you. So it's always, fake it till you make it, as I said before. You should always have the confidence, you know everything, and then you go for the consultation. That is my piece of advice.
What are the skills that you would recommend to build to be a successful clinical dietitian?
Okay. The skills are mainly listening skills, not just what the patient is saying, but also to your non-verbal communication. Develop all those verbal and non-verbal communications, and also you're being empathetic towards the patient. You should always understand where the patient is coming from. You should not make fun of the patient, or you should not use the words they are giving the information to you. You should not use it against them. So that is very important. And communication skills. Your basic English or whatever the language that you are trying to communicate, it is very important. You should be clear in what you're communicating to the patient.
Can you suggest some authentic services where our students can find the right information and stay updated with the nutritional trends?
You can always find PubMed, or you can always go to Google Scholar. You get n number of research articles that are authenticated sources. You can check on their journal websites. You can check for British Journal of Diabetes. You can check Indian Journal of Clinical Nutrition, or you can check your clinical nutrition journals. These are all some authenticated websites. You can also check for Google Scholar. That is all authenticated sources.
Can you please talk to us about your experience with our students, and how did you feel at Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute?
My experience here at MGR University was really good. This is my first time giving a talk to set of students, graduates who are gonna get graduated this year. So that was really a good experience from my side, and the students were very engaging, very attentive. They did answer to my questions, whatever I was asking for. I did have a good experience here. The staff and everybody was so nice here. Thank you.